When you restore the car, you also preserve the story. As a friend of the National Corvette Museum, we are reaching out with an opportunity to make a significant impact on restoration of vehicles in our collection. The National Corvette Museum is more than a museum. It's a place where enthusiasts gather to celebrate the passion, innovation, and craftsmanship that makes Corvette America's sports car. With your support, we can continue to uphold this legacy and ensure that future generations can share in the thrill and the wonder of the Corvette experience. The stories of innovation and exhilaration are what we preserve when we begin collections restoration projects, like the work being done on Zora Arkus Duntop's 1974 Stingray. This big block-equipped 4-speed car was the only Corvette Zora ever owned. And like any machine, the passage of time has taken its toll on this automotive treasure. To ensure its place in telling the story of Corvette's evolution, we have undertaken an ambitious restoration project, complete with the resources to return this priceless artifact to its former glory. By restoring Zora's Corvette and others in the collection, we are preserving an invaluable piece of Corvette history for future generations to appreciate, learn from, and of course, be inspired by. Today, we are asking for your help as we begin our year-end giving campaign. Your generous donations contribute to the meticulous restoration and maintenance of our collection, and not only preserve the history, but also allow us to showcase these beautiful vehicles for generations to come. Visit CorvetteMuseum.org or contact our team today and make your commitment to preserving the Corvette legacy and ensure that the story of this remarkable vehicle continues to be told for generations to come.